So in the last video, we saw how we could attach a Google Doc or a folder from our existing Google Drive onto the HubSpot contact. And we also saw how to create this public link. And I can just go back to that link I created in the last video from right here. And you see, we discussed in brief that there are a bunch of security settings on this. So first of all, let's see what this link looks like. So let's say you copy this link, and at this point, you can send it to your contact using emails or any other medium that you use with them. And when they click on it, this is what they're gonna see. So you see, this was a Google Doc, a two-page Google Doc, which was just sitting in my Google Drive, and now it has been sort of converted to a website. So there are a lot of things that you can do on this viewer, and there are a lot of settings that you can put on this link, which sort of control the behavior of your viewer. So, for example, first of all, I can take this link offline anytime. If I just make this toggle and I go back to my link, you see it shows this file not found. So I can take it online and offline anytime, and now it's going to show the file back. I can also disallow downloading. So you see that there is this download button on top, which would download the docx file which was associated with this Google Doc. But if I disallow downloading, and now there is no way to download this doc. I can also preset expiry based on the number of views or based on a certain date. I can put in a lot of security settings. So, for example, I can protect my file with a password where I can specify what the password is going to be. And at the same time, this is a feature which is important for confidentiality, and it's also important for marketing, where you can collect email. So now if I go back to my document, you see it's asking me to provide an email. And there are a lot of things that I can control on what people are providing in this email. So for example, I can enforce email verification, in which case I'll have to either verify my email using a OTP in my inbox or using Outlook or Google. I can also allow or block certain emails and domains. So for example, I can allow only people from a certain company to access the document, or disallow free email providers from accessing my document. And then there are some other notification settings. For example, when your clients are accessing the document, you can get an automatic mail. You can also set these things up through HubSpot automations, as we'll see in the next few videos. And then there is a feature of enabling subscriptions where whenever you make any updates to your proposal or to your collateral, those updates are automatically sent as an email to people who have subscribed to your file. Now coming back to this viewer, now there are a bunch of other things that I can do on this viewer. So, for example, I can white label this logo. I can also white label this whole URL to whatever your company URL is. You can also insert your chatbot over here. So this can be your HubSpot chatbot or your intercom chatbot. So there are a lot of interactivity features that are available for your clients. And in the future, we are going to add a bunch of other things. For example, you can talk about this particular page as soon as a person scrolls on this, or other things like that. So in this video, we basically covered what the CloudFiles viewer looks like, what are the different settings that we can apply on the link, how they take effect on the viewer, and also what are the other account level settings or other features that we can add to the viewer to make the file viewing experience more secure, more insightful, and more interactive. In the next video, we are going to look at the analytics part, where while the viewer is looking at this document, we're also collecting a lot of detailed and drill down analytics.